Because I have had to switch my skincare up over however many years, I wanted to share how to pick a moisturizer for your skin type. I'm really aware of things I put in my body and on my body, and I check ingredients with my skincare. I had to work from within, and what I was putting on my skin wasn't helping. I'm going to be using Orgranics moisturizers, and I'm going to show you each one of them. I have 4 different moisturizers for 4 different skin types, and I'm going to show you guys which one you would need to choose from the line depending on your skin type. A lot of moisturizers add petroleum. I don't know if you guys know this, but they do add petroleum. They market that to make your skin feel softer. That actually does not moisturize your skin. It ends up making your skin drier. As far as ingredients, you need to be looking for moisturizers that have minimal ingredients, minimal chemicals. A red flag for me is ingredients that you don't recognize. No alcohol, no petroleum or fillers. Era Ingredients uses real ingredients, food grade ingredients by the way. It actually hydrates and it works to improve your skin. I have 4 Era Organics moisturizers. I'm going to give you a basic rundown of each one of them so you can decide which one would be the most suitable for your skin type. The very first one that I wanted to mention is called Oasis. It's super hydrating. This would be really good during the winter months or if you just have really dry skin. Some of the hydrating ingredients in this is aloe vera, manuka honey, shea cocoa, avocado oil, and jojoba oil. A lot of those ingredients are some of my favorite ones that I try to include in other skincare as well. Having more dry skin now, and especially during the winter months, Oasis is something that I put it on as much as I can. These do look a little thicker when you first open it, but I would not worry about that. These soak into the skin. They don't just sit there, and they work. They're not just gonna sit there and be gross. They soak in, and then it's not like you have this mess on your face. If you are into anti-aging, which I think that you should be proactive and not reactive, so anti-aging is not just for older people. Go ahead and start using anti-aging. You will benefit from it later. It makes sense. Like, go ahead and put all these great things in your skin, and instead of waking up and thinking, oh wow, I look old, I need to go out right now and find anti-aging, go ahead and prevent. If you are into anti-aging, if that's what your skin needs, this is going to be for you. This is the vitamin C face cream. Side note too, I am loving the packaging on these. These are really pretty sitting out. If you were like me, I like to put my skincare out and make it look pretty. That's just a personal preference, but I do enjoy things that look pretty. I do want to go into some of the ingredients in here, because a lot of things say vitamin C, but the vitamin C that is in this is from the Kakadu plum. It has the highest recorded vitamin C of any plant. It has 100 times more than oranges, so that is really significant. Vitamin C is good for anti-aging because it's one of the only ingredients that is an antioxidant. It promotes collagen production. Again, with this, it might look really thick, but I do not find that it's an issue soaking in. It's not just sitting on my skin feeling like really heavy or anything. For you guys who have acne prone skin, I 100% know how it feels to have that. I have dealt with cystic acne that was sore, it hurt. Just regular acne, so I have been there. Very happy to be on the other side of that. Using a moisturizer for your acne prone skin that has these good ingredients is going to be very key to your skincare. Because I have had issues with acne before, and I do get a few little spots just from hormonal kind of things, but not near as bad, I still like to not just go with anti-aging, but I use this as well. Of course, it has the tea tree oil, which is one of my very favorites. It also has St. John's wort. It has burdock root, salicylic acid. It also has dandelion root, and all of those are wonderful for fighting acne. This is so powerful. It smells really good too, by the way. I don't have oily skin, but I use this anyways. However, if you are one that has the oily acne skin, this is going to be good for you. It smells so good. Out of all of them, this one smells the best to me. I love that. Last but certainly not least, the Complete. This one's really cool because it can be used by anybody. It's really good for skin conditions. It's good for sensitive skin. One of the really cool ingredients that it has is manuka honey. It increases cellular recovery. It supports anti-aging by boosting collagen production. It is naturally antifungal and antibacterial and antiviral to heal a wide array of skin conditions. This is really wonderful. The front of it says moisturize, nourish, repair, and protect. This is really great. If you don't know which one you want to get, or you just want to get one that is going to be suitable for your skin no matter what time of the year it is or no matter how your skin acts, I would definitely recommend the Complete Moisturizer. I hope I was able to help you figure out how to pick your own moisturizer if you didn't know how to before. Ingredients and what we put in our body and on our face should not be a mystery. Definitely go check out Organics, look at their ingredients, check out their brand, and order you some for your skin. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.